Friends, World Telecommunication and Information Society Day WTISD has been celebrated annually every 17th May since 1969 to mark the founding of ITU and the signing of the first International Telegraph Convention in 1865. In this connection, I would like to briefly touch upon satellite role in accelerating digital transformation in challenging times. The current crisis that the world is seeing has not only highlighted the critical role of information and communication technologies, ICTs, as essential tools for everyday life to function with some modicum of normalcy, but has also brought to the fore the huge digital inequalities between countries and even within the societies. SA India, in league with the ITU members, have stepped up and offered to engage in activities that have been proven essential in saving lives and sustaining economies. The COVID-19 pandemic has suddenly highlighted the urgency of accelerating digital transformation and advancing the goals and targets for the Connect 2030 agenda to ensure that nobody gets left behind. The current day scenario in the country makes it very critical for COVID patients to receive supply of virtual medical advice, medicine, and oxygen in time. By their very nature, medicines are highly vulnerable consumables which need to be stored under precise temperature conditions and protected from impacts and be resilient to long distance transportation in areas that sometimes have poor roads. Space technology makes it possible to track convoys wherever they go and to schedule alerts in the events of anomalies occurring, which the drivers themselves can also receive to enable them to react as quickly as possible. The satellite asset tracking system is very unique. First off, for its own ubiquitous coverage. Second, it digitizes the entire supply chain with zero blind spots. The two-way communication helps keeps the command and control glitch-free. SA India would like to urge the various governments and allied agencies dealing with the COVID-19 crisis in the countries to keep track of the supply chain management through indigenous satellite tracking systems. We are pleased to inform you that in India, the satellite solution providers join in the critical mission and are willing to come forth and offer their expertise and infrastructure for this cause. SA India and the call from ITU in celebrating the WTSID this year would engage with the Government of India and allied agencies dealing in emergency services under COVID in a couple of initiatives using the satellite role in digital transformation. Jai Hind and thank you.